A big hello to the curious mind. In previous video, I have talked about material history, and in this video, I am going to highlight future challenges of engineering. In 2009, the National Academy of Engineering issued a set of grand challenges for 21st century. So let's see what are these challenges that we need to focus on. This list consists of mainly 14 challenges, in which one of the challenge is making solar energy more economical. If you look at the commercial solar photovoltaic cell, it consists of silicon material and efficiency of that cell is very less. So, to push this efficiency little higher, one of the best solution is to develop a tandem solar cell. The tandem solar cell is nothing but the cell it is going to contain the multiple light absorbing material. The second challenge in our list is developing the carbon sequestration method. So, with the help of this method, we can store the different forms of carbon or we can eliminate the amount of carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. So, this method will help us to mitigate the global warming and to avoid the dangerous climate changes. We get oxygen from plants and food from agricultural crops. These plants and crops need nitrogen for their healthy growth. We have plenty of nitrogen in the earth atmosphere, but the form of available nitrogen is not suitable for the plants. So plants cannot take the readily available nitrogen. Humans have figured out the chemical process by which they can convert this readily available nitrogen into the fertilizer which we can feed to the plants and crops. But whatever nitrogen we provide to these plants and crops through the fertilizer, only partial amount of nitrogen is absorbed by these plants. The rest of the nitrogen mix with the air or it get accumulated in the rivers and ocean because it is getting washed off due to the rain. And this excess amount of nitrogen in the earth dramatically changing the ecosystem. The next engineering challenge we have is the security of our cyberspace. The way we handle our social media, the way we retrieve the information from internet, our personal information nowadays open to many marketing agencies. So, we have to develop a system which will ensure the proper security to our privacy. Human brain is probably one of the most elegant and complex organ in our body. It can perform various intricate operations and activity very precisely. And reverse engineering of this brain is a brilliant challenge. If we'll accept this challenge, we will understand the blueprint of Mother Nature and how exactly this complex organ work so much effectively even in our illness. So, the solution of this challenge will take our life to the next level of computers and robotics. The next challenge we have in our list is creation of energy from the fusion. The fusion reaction promises unlimited energy which is clean and renewable. Nowadays we use uranium in nuclear power plant which produce nasty byproducts, and there are so many ill effects of these byproducts on human health. So we have to develop a material which will withstand these nasty byproducts of fusion reaction. One more challenge we have in our list is we have to prevent the nuclear terror. And for that purpose, we have to secure the material, which is nothing but we have to secure plutonium and uranium. One more challenge we have to prevent this nuclear terror is we have to develop a material which can detect the things, especially at a distance. And it can produce a potential device which can respond in an emergency and it can clean up the things after the nuclear terror. The greatest challenge of 21st century is population explosion. With increase in population, the quality of air, water and food is getting degraded day by day. So we have to ensure that in 21st century, we will have access to the clean air, water and food. We have to ensure better medicines and health informatics. We have to develop and restore the urban infrastructure. Many a time we came across the pandemic situation and this affects the learning process. So we have to develop the advanced learning system, which means we have to do the advancement in virtual reality and mixed reality. The advancements in virtual reality will enable us for effective and economical global communication. We can test all our products virtually for all stringent working conditions before putting them into application. In addition to all these challenges, what else 21st century have in a store for us? So, we have to develop the biomaterial which we can implant in our body, and after implanting in our body, these devices which are made up of biomaterials can communicate with us effectively. We have to develop the sensors for self-driving car. We have to develop the material for commuter-like hyperloop, which will enable just-in-time mass transportation. We have to develop the material for 4D printing. And with the help of 4D printing, we can generate the shape-changing materials which are multifunctional. We have to develop the sensors which can convert the human sound vibration energy into the electricity, which will enable us charging our mobile phone in an emergency situation. You can add to this list with your own vision.